Hi guys, just a very quick update on this Papier Mache Wind Mill for BattyBowman. I really can't do very much to it today because I'm going to have to wait at least another day for this to dry out because it's still damp. But I'll just put a battery on it to check that the electrics still work and that I haven't gummed up the gearing. So, looks like it still works. I'm going to have to leave that for at least another day, probably 2 days before that's dry enough to paint. And then I'll have to put a top on it, a swell of some sort, and finish off the bottom. So that'll do for now. First coat of undercoat or white paint on the windmill. I was quite surprised, the paper had dried out. We've had a good sunny day today, so in the conservatory it gets quite warm. So we're probably a day ahead of how quick I expected to be. That's B&Q base coat. So that'll do. Give it a second coat. Just checking, nothing's jammed up with the paint. We'll leave that there for now. Okay, go and wash my brush off. That'll probably do. Still need to put a roof on it or a cap. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.